Welcome to this lesson on capital and treasury stocks. I am Abhijit Jagdish from Code Karikama. In our last lesson, we discussed about common and preferred stocks. Discussing these two laid the foundation for what we are going to learn next. That is, capital stocks. Capital stocks is the total number of common and preferred stocks that a company is authorized to issue. Let's say company ABC was authorized to issue 10 stocks, 5 of which are common stocks and the remaining 5 preferred stocks. With this, the number of capital stocks will be 10, 5 common plus 5 preferred. Before we jump into treasury stocks, let's discuss a bit about outstanding shares. Outstanding shares of a company are those currently held by all of its shareholders in the market. Now, coming back to treasury stocks. These are the stocks that are in a company's treasury. You may ask me how a stock ends up in a company's treasury. After all, it should be in the market, right? Let me explain. Let's say company ABC was authorized to issue 100 stocks, 50 common stocks, 50 preferred stocks. We now know these 100 stocks, 50 common and 50 preferred, form the capital stocks. Company ABC goes out in the market and starts selling these 100 capital stocks. Unfortunately, they were able to sell only 50 of them. As discussed before, these 50 sold stocks become the company's outstanding shares as they are with the shareholders. All good up until here. But hey, what about the remaining 50 unsold stocks? These unsold stocks go back to the company's treasury and become the treasury stocks. Great. Now let's go and do a simple exercise on this to reinforce our understanding on outstanding shares, capital stocks, and treasury stocks. Company ABC was authorized to issue 1000 stocks. 500 of these were common stocks and 500 preferred stocks. Company ABC was able to sell 100 of the 500 common stocks and 300 of the 500 preferred stocks. What is the outstanding share count of company ABC? Also, what is the treasury stock count of company ABC? Feel free to pause here, complete the exercise, and unpause again to see the solution. Solution time. Capital share count will be 1000, that is 500 common shares plus 500 preferred shares. Outstanding shares count will be 400, 100 common shares, 300 preferred shares, which they were able to sell and are now with the shareholders. Treasury shares count will be 600, 400 unsold common shares plus 200 unsold preferred shares, which end up in a company's treasury. Great. That's all we have for this lesson. We covered capital stocks, outstanding shares, and treasury stocks. In the next lesson, we shall discuss stock trading techniques.